This sucks. Which is why I'm going to be recreating the same game in 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 10 hours. Just how good can we make Cookie Clicker in Scratch? Here's the game plan. Step 1, add a cookie. Pretty easy. Now, everything except for this cookie has to be made in 10 minutes. I cannot copy paste code or art from anywhere else. Step 2, make it fun to click. To do this, I have a few secret ingredients. The first is a better when this bright clicked block with some fancy formulas. Size plus minus over 520. This will make the cookie smoothly grow when you hover over it. Let's see if this works. That's not right. Maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, okay. That's the formula. So now clicking looks better. Next is a custom number counter to replace the ugly grey and orange boxes Scratch gives you. First, you need to get a costume for every number, which took a fair bit of time. This code is essential to making the numbers display in the correct positions. Just one block wrong will break it. Remember, I'm not allowed to copy code, so I had to memorize it all. Everything has to be made in 10 minutes, and now only 5 of those minutes remain. Yeah, there we go. After a few adjustments and a simple striped background, it was time for the third ingredient. A shine effect. This will introduce some movement, so the game will look more interesting. Just make a rectangle, delete a point to make it a triangle, copy paste it a few times, and make it spin forever. To make it look actually good though, you need a gradient so the triangles fade out. I managed to mess it up. Oh no, I think it's meant to be this one. That looks terrible. Oh dear. With less than 2 minutes remaining, it was time for the final secret ingredient. Particles. These raining cookies will make clicking the big cookie even more satisfying. I made the code as fast as I possibly could, with mere seconds left to test it. Is that working? Oh, it's good enough. Okay. I think that's cookie. Ooh. Need to hide the variables real quick. 10 minutes is not enough time. We can click. We get particles. We've got a glow, we've got a fancy number count instead of those ugly variables. We've got an effect so it grows. It would be nice for the cookie to be bigger when you click it. We got a glow effect, which kinda sucks. We also have no upgrades at all. I'll have to fix all those in the 1 hour version. 6 times as long should be plenty of time. But I want to do way more than just add a cookie and make it fun to click. I want buildings, upgrades, music and sound effects, golden cookies, save and load, prestige. But before I can do any of that, I'll pretty much need to remake everything from the 10-minute game. Let's give this a test. Whoa, it's working. After a quick background, we're pretty much back to how the 10-minute game was. There we go. But none of the goals have even been started yet. Let's get some music. I bought the Cookie Clicker soundtrack. I'm gonna use it. You know the guy who made the Minecraft music? Yeah, he also made the Cookie Clicker music. Also, I am allowed to import music because I can't just make that in an hour. Yeah, Cookie Clicker music. Project's not gonna save because of all the music. It will save eventually. Okay, now we need a shop. That all took 15 minutes. That's annoying. A shop will let you spend cookies on buildings and upgrades. Buildings make cookies every second, and upgrades improve buildings. The art department's a bit lacking. Cookie Clicker has hundreds of upgrades and 20 buildings, so I can't include them all. But I can start with the humble cursor. Whoa. Now to make it actually work. Oh, I wish the thing would... Now, there's a 7-step recipe for making a shop. Step 1, make the buttons. This is going to be the store. We're going to have 2, 4, 5 items on a page, variables to show the prices. The art probably isn't going to get much better. I hate this annoying box at the top. Step 2, calculate prices, multiplication. Step 3, compare price of cookies, greater than check. Step 4, take cookies, subtraction. Step 5, increase building count, addition. Step 6, calculate CPS. Iterate through every building and increase cookies per second by the building space, CPS multiplied by CPS modified multiplied by the building amount. Step 7, recalculate prices, show the new price. With a couple more additions, like buttons to open and close the shop and putting data in lists, we have buildings. But now, only 13 minutes remain. Now I want golden cookies. Golden cookies are special cookies that occasionally appear in a random position on the screen. That looks absolutely terrible. Clicking them grants effects like a CPS boost or free cookies. Okay, we've only got less than 8 minutes remaining. I don't think we're gonna have upgrades yet. Golden cookies also need animations for appearing and disappearing. Zooms in, waits 7 seconds to give you enough time. And then it fades out, but whilst it's fading out, you can still click it, I think. Hopefully. That code wasn't running, so I hope it works. I need some art for the icons right now, because 4 minutes, so that's grandma. Farm, we can have a nice green blob. Oh, 3 minutes is not enough time to be doing all this. I haven't even play tested the game fully. Oh, that looks hideous. Oh no, get that away. Yeah, that's alright. That will have to do for the mine. Oh, this is so scuffed. Oh, we need a shine effect. Okay, turn a degree, I guess. Wait, it needs to be triangle, not that. 45 seconds left. This is gonna be the most intense shine you've ever seen. Okay, 10 seconds. Does that actually increase my cookies per second? No, it doesn't. Oh no! The shop just doesn't work. Uh-oh. I had failed. I was so ambitious, trying to cram every feature I could, but in the end, nothing worked. Buying things from the shop just didn't increase your cookies per second. That's pretty much the entire game, flat out broken. Can you give me like a couple minutes of overtime so I can make it work? I put another hour. Let's see how much of that I use. So that used 6 more minutes. So it's not really cookie clicker in an hour. It's cookie clicker in 66 minutes. We can click. We can go to the shop. Buy cursors. Now we're getting 0.4 cookies a second. And then we got this nice shine effect, some nice cookies falling. And we got the cookie clicker music, which made it not save, so I had to delete all the other tracks. Okay, we can get grandma. There should be golden cookies as well. There's no upgrades, there's no achievements. Oh, golden cookie! Frenzy, so we're times 7 cookies for 60 seconds. I wanted to add more buildings, but I didn't have enough time. But I really like this, I probably should work on it more. I actually did make a 10-hour cookie clicker. I just couldn't edit the 10 hours of footage down into a YouTube video. I didn't realize how hard editing 10 hours of stuff was. So this video's just kind of been lying in my video editor for 4 months. If you really wanted to see me make it, there's the live streams. They're not very good at all. Or you can just play the game using the link in the description. But I'm so sorry that this bit of the video is kind of garbage.